here. So this pump P1001 A, B, C running, and one is standby. If any one pump
Chairman, you don't. I'm okay. I mean, what I was listening. You're writing everything down now. Am I right? That you need to write things down during discussion with the team member.
Yeah,
Am I right?
Yeah. This is what
I wasn't really understand what you're trying to do here. Spending half an hour, you're talking to someone.
No, Madam, we are just developing this sheet, and we will discuss now. We are not closing the workshop.
I know, but why you're developing? My question is, why are you developing it without team's input?
Madam, we are just developing
the safeguard. Especially, you can put causes and consequences, but the safeguard should be coming from the team.
Correct.
I'm okay. You writing. Again, I'm okay with you writing deviations, causes, consequences, or whatever. But the safeguard has to be discussed with the team. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. We are discussing the safeguard here.
Discuss this.
We are discussing safeguard here. PNID is here.
No, you discuss with.
Yeah. See, we have taken this one, and these safeguards are related to this one. We are taking the input from the team only. Our process guy is sitting here beside me.
So besides you, okay, all right.
Yeah. Our process guy is sitting here. Expert is sitting here. I'm taking the input from him.
Speaking right now. So what I hear, I didn't hear anything from other team. Like I don't hear from Imran. I don't hear from anybody. Just your team from.
No, they are contractor. They are giving the input when they have some objection.
Okay.
So I mean, just follow it, and if you feel that still there is some discussion required, then I'm ready to do it.
Yeah, because you are speaking, Hindi or whatever, I can't understand what you're saying. Anyways.
No, we are not talking Hindi. We are talking English only. Sometimes.
No, yes. Most of the time, and actually you're speaking Hindi.
Okay. I will try to speak in English. So kindly be here. Don't go away. Otherwise, you have a lot of questions. Okay. So guys, we were talking about this pump. Okay. So guys, we are here in the tank number 1001A. We were talking about pump 1001D and E. So one pump is running, one is standby. So we are saying if this pump trips and the standby pump will start.